Hi everyone, this is EB Prefabricated Space House. We also call it the Capsemble house. So now you can look at the outside. This is covered by RGB lighting, and also we can customize the logo, and it's total made by aluminium coverage. So we can make the design for you, tailor-made, and you can customize any other different design. So let's check about the house inside of the internal. Let's go. So you can check the storage box. We put the air condition here and the electricity switch boxes, and also that will allow you to put any stuff to keep in the storage here. And let's see the internal now. So let's go inside and see the internal. The interior and feel is amazing, awesome, because it's all by RGB. You never see, just come to check. So we have the digital key here, and then more like a hotel setting, and we have the remote control of the whole lighting setup here. You can see it's all covered by aluminium, and yes, we have a very nice switches, and then this is the individual toilet, and we call the and there's another individual shower room. So if you look at the material we use, it's basically it use the SMC surface. The color can be selected whatever you like. Yes, we have a list for you. You can pick up the color you like. So check the toilet and check the shower room. And also after the shower, yes, you can brush the teeth here. And this is the area for face washing in the morning, and put all the amenity here. And we provide you all the wardrobe. You can store the stuff here. Then, as I say, this is also aluminium, so we have a very nice, we call it the kitchen cabinet, but we call the upgraded version. So if you look at the surface of the kitchen, and we're using the very thick marble, this is also selective. Yeah, you can choose some color you like, and here's the window. Yes, for the people who cook, they feel they need there's a smoke, then they can have a good breath, right? And there is the refrigerator. So one thing I need to say is, if you look at our design, you can feel no matter the kitchen or the toilet, it is all singularized in one design. Okay, so this is something we are doing very well. I mean, compared to the others, I should say, because we try to unify all the design firm in one for you. Yeah, so you can see this is our customized design table. Even the bar chair is our own design, and you won't get it from the market. And let's check the bedroom. So we are using this 1.6 meters bed, and the bed can be adjusted, the size of the bed can adjust, and based on your need. And we have a very nice sofa, very comfortable. Yes, then we have the bed light, yes, the reading light. And one of the thing is, if you look at the curtain, is electronical, and so it's controlled by remote, so you can see how it's work. And you can look at the closet here. Just check it out. Yeah. So we have a very big closet here, so you can put your clothes. And we also have 2 air condition pipe. So usually we suggest you to use the DUCT aircon, but also you can use the split one. It's an option, and we give you the alternative to put the air condition in. So one of the things I need to say is the RGB lighting of this house. So let me see if I can turn on the control of RGB. So actually our idea is we try to put the e-sport design, and e-sport is one of the trend for young people and new generation. So you can try to put whole housing with RGB. It's more suitable for the young people, but this is also selective. If you don't like this kind of RGB lighting setup, yeah, we can customize to another style for you. And RGB is one of our fundamental design of this internal setup. So yeah, basically all the stuff is made by aluminium, and yeah, that's it. This is our EB prefabricated space house. We also call it the Capsemble home. Any question, anything, just talk to us. Thank you very much. Bye bye.